Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be traveling to Daiso, which is the equivalent of a dollar store in the United States. And I really just need a bunch of stuff to furnish my apartment. I need a bathroom rug, a rug for my floor, and just some other knickknacks around my apartment to make it look a lot nicer and a lot less bare than it does now. I have about a 8,000 yen budget, not dollars, yen budget. But I know that that'll still be definitely enough to get some good stuff. So come along with me. I'm excited for you guys to see. Okay guys, and before I leave, I just wanted to do a quick fit check. I thrifted the jacket, the shirt was my friend's, the necklace was my grandmother's, earrings were also my grandmother's, just some random leggings that I've had since I don't know why I did that. I don't know, maybe like the 5th grade, but making sure my bum is covered. And yeah, let's head out. Also, if you guys can see the braids, my niece helped me with them, and let's go. Okay guys, so sorry, but we're actually doing the fit check again because what I was wearing would be absolutely way too hot. So I'm just gonna angle this down. This is what look at what my friend made me. I'm such good friends. But yeah, with the leggings now, yeah. But I feel like this is cute. I feel like it gets the job done. Yeah, I'll definitely bring a jacket just in case, because you never know. But this is what I'm gonna wear. I'm excited. So much fun. It's a beautiful day. Okay guys, I made it. If you see this pole behind me, I have so much stuff. It's actually kind of ridiculous, but it's okay. We survived. Did go a little bit over budget, but that's okay. Okay, everybody, I made it back from Daiso. Daiso is a great place to go. That one was a little, sorry guys, that was a lot. But the one that I went to probably wasn't the one that had the biggest selection, but I was definitely still able to get some really nice things. As you can see, my shoulder is very red because let me just show you guys how I was walking around for the past 30 minutes. So I was walking like this for the past 30 minutes. And you can see this little rod. It was like bouncing in and out of my field of vision the entire time. It was not fun, but I'm glad that I got my stuff. My room, like I said, still not fully decorated the way that I want it to be, but progress is still progress, and I'm excited to show you guys what I have. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, here are the goods from my Daiso trip. Just a quick one round, full length body mirror, always need that. These are some hangers that I'm going to use for this clothing rack because we do not have dryers. I'm going to need to dry my clothes outside. This is a clothing hamper, a coin purse, because if you know anything about Japan, you're going to have a lot of coins. So to hold my coins, nail clipper, calendar, very important for me because I'm a student, and then just some markers. This stool is for the closet, y'all. The closet is so tall. I need a step stool for real. But yeah, that's all. Some good stuff. All right, and now I'm just gonna do like the tiniest room tour because, like I said, I still wasn't able to grab like the things that would really make my room like really come together, like a table and a rug. I probably want to put that where I'm standing, but let me show what I can show, what I'm comfortable with showing. So down here we just have the open window, very beautiful. I have my, you can't see, but let's see, lotion, perfume, deodorant, and all of my jewelry, glasses, because y'all, I really can't see. Like, it's actually kind of scary, but you gotta do what you gotta do. So far, that's a pretty cute section of it. And yeah, here's my water bottle, laptop that I bought with my own money, blood, sweat, and tears. The bed is pink. We have a throw blanket. I really want a poster to cover that up, like badly. I feel like you can understand why. And then we have some jackets right here. And then here is my closet situation. I bought that metal rod to hopefully hang up clothes, but that didn't work like at all in the slightest. But I can show you just a brief look at my kitchen. Again, the sign that my best friend made. She's also the one editing these videos, guys, so props to her. I could not have done this without her. And now I can just open up my closet. Like I said, the rod situation didn't work, so I just kind of had my clothes scattered about. But yeah, I think it does what it does. Eventually, I might need to figure out a different situation though. Very thankful for the day that I had today, but I'm definitely very pooped, and I still have a lot of, not a lot, but I need to finalize scheduling. I need to still get my student bank account. I'm just gonna spend the rest of tonight preparing for more administrative tasks that I need to complete before school starts on Tuesday. It is Sunday, school starts on Tuesday. I am so excited, and I hope you guys can continue to keep on watching because eventually I'm going to post a first week of graduate school vlog, just so you guys can, you know, if you're interested in going to graduate school in a different country, maybe you guys can just have a better viewpoint about what it may look like, what your day-to-day may look like. But truly, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. And have a great rest of your day. Also, if you could please consider subscribing, that will be great. I will have much more videos in the future documenting my time in Japan, and I'd love if you guys could follow along.